And now to the Supreme Court. They heard two cases today about what Americans can see on social media. The decision could change how the internet is operated for decades. The argument centered around Florida's law that makes it illegal for tech companies to ban candidates on the ballot in the state from their social media sites. Florida Solicitor General Henry Whitaker, often comparing social media companies to telecommunications companies, argued social media companies are unfairly censoring conservative viewpoints on their sites, and that the platform's portrayal as passive hosts undermines their arguments that their content moderation policies amount to protected speech.
We agree, we certainly agree that a newspaper, a book, and a bookstore is engaging in inherently expressive conduct, and our whole point is that these social media platforms are not like those. And
but doesn't it depend on exactly what they're doing?
Justice Sonia Sotomayor questioned if the law is overly broad, going on to name a wide range of companies that could be impacted, like the digital marketplace Etsy, affecting someone's ability to shop online.
This is so broad. It's covering almost everything.
Justice Amy Coney Barrett echoed her colleagues.
We're talking about the classic social media platforms, but it looks to me like it could cover Uber. It looks to me like it could cover just Google search engines, Amazon Web Service, and all of those things would look very different.
Paul Clement argued on behalf of Net Choice, a group challenging the Florida law, drawing a clear distinction between a government and a private party engaging in content moderation.
Is it anything more than a euphemism for censorship?
If the government's doing it, then content moderation might be a euphemism for censorship. If a private party is doing it, content moderation is a euphemism for editorial discretion.
A ruling that would force tech companies to have no editorial discretion could impact their business model that depends on their ability to attract advertisers and users. A decision is expected in June.